Okay, so check this out, guys. Look at where we are now, in terms of dollar strength. This is where we are now. This is where we are now. I'm gonna go zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So for the past few months, we've been on an uptrend since we broke out on September 1 of 2021. So we've been on this upward channel, and look at the stock RSI. We've been overbought since October 2021, and for MACD, we've been overbought since we been above 1, so since around March 1 of 2022 of this year. And we've been getting some red since May 2 of 2022, and this is October 3 of 2022. And during the uptrend of the dollar, as you can see, this is how Nasdaq has been doing. So it started the downtrend since right around December 1 of 2021. So as you can see here, December 1 of 2021 was right around here. So inverse correlation.